everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a power hour. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I thought I would film one today. I need to get pretty much every room in the house like tidied up. It's not too bad because I did film a extreme clean with me a couple days ago, so I just need to kind of tidy up what has gotten messy since I filmed that. So yeah, I wrote a list of all the things I want to get done, and then after that I'm actually going to be going through every single room separately and sort of organizing and whatnot. I have a few days off work, so I'm going to be going through every single room and getting everything organized. So that'll be kind of filmed next or throughout the week or whatever, but I thought today I would do a power hour for you guys. So I have my list. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to zoom you guys in and I'm going to let you know what I want to get done today. Okay, so I need to get the dishes done. I need to just tidy up every room. There's kind of like stuff where stuff doesn't belong. I need to vacuum, clean the bathroom, take out the garbage and recycling. I need to just get together all of the Christmas gifts we've bought because kind of stuff is like in bags all over the place. And then I also need to put laundry away because I'm doing laundry right now and I'm going to have more laundry to put away after that. So I need to put away what I do have done. So yeah, I think I should be able to get all that done in an hour and we'll get right into it.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, thick as smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. The time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. With the lights out.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger. watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride. ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. Nothing to fear, you'll never be alone. Let the highway be our home, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Okay, so I'm on my phone now because my freaking battery died. So it's been about an hour, so I'm just gonna stop what I'm doing now. So I did get to tidying up the whole house. I vacuumed, I did the bathroom, and I put all the laundry away. So the only thing I didn't do was get together the Christmas gifts, do the dishes, and get the garbage and recycling. But those aren't too bad. I have actually most of the Christmas gifts together just from tidying up, so it kind of happened. But yeah, and then I'll just have to do the dishes and the garbage later. So I think I got most of the stuff done that I wanted to do. The house looks good now, other than the kitchen, but that's normal because you guys know I hate cleaning the kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up if you love power hours, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!